Now we will see the life cycle of angiosperm. Okay, here we are having an sporophyte plant of angiosperm. Female part is the stigma, you all know. Male part is the anther. Okay, here it is the filament to which this anther is attached. This anther basically gives us the microsporangium. This microsporangium basically obtained when we try to cut this anther, which means that when we cut this anther, we get this microsporangium. This microsporangium basically provides us the microspores, which are the male gametes. These two male gametes basically are called the pollen grains. Okay. Now these two male gamete, one fuses with the egg and other fuses with this polar nuclei. What it is? This is the embryo sac which we have obtained from the female part. When this fusion takes place, then we are having the formation of zygote. And you know, after the formation of zygote, we are having the formation of embryo. And when embryo gets adult, it again changes to the plant. This is how this life cycle takes place. Now we will see the plant life cycle. We are having three life cycles. First is haplontic life cycle, then diplontic, then haplodiplontic life cycle. In case of haplontic life cycle, we are basically having the haploid individuals that are obtained from haploid gametes. Haploid individual means that are having n number. This n fuses to form the zygote, and zygote undergo meiosis. Meiosis you know very well, that is the reductional division. Okay. Example, we are having spirogyra. Then we are having diplontic life cycle. Diplontic life cycle means diploid individual. Diploid means having the number 2n. Then again meiosis take place and we are having the formation of n gametes. They fuse to form zygote, and ultimately, which is basically by the mitosis, they basically form the diploid adults. Means diplontic makes the diploid adults. And it takes place in all seed bearing plant, for example gymnosperm and angiosperm. Then we are having haplodiplontic life cycle, where both haplontic and diplontic life cycle takes place. Means it is the combo of this haplontic and diplontic, that is why we are calling it haplodiplontic life cycle. Where it takes place in bryophytes and pteridophytes. Now we are having some of the assignment questions. Just go through these questions and have the idea of it.